Dear learners, welcome to the channel again. Today's topic is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and more over the internet, that is also known as cloud. It enables users to access and use resources on demand without the need for local infrastructure or management. Example of cloud computing: Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services provides a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services including computing power, storage, and databases to help businesses scale and grow without upfront investments in hardware. Next example is Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that allows users to store files, access them from any devices, from anywhere, with an internet connection, and collaborate with others in a real time. Thank you so much.